Hey guys, I'm Jeff. Let's review the new Philips Neopix mini projector collection. Today we're gonna discuss about the top product of the range, the Neopix Prime. Wow, hey! A subtle titanium glossy effect with a slick finish common to all products of the range, of course. We have a charger with 3 different types of plugs. Also, we have the remote control. The Prime is the high-end product of the Neopix collection. It can boast of projecting a sharp and clean image up to 120 inches. That's huge, I mean. It's much bigger than my TV. And of course, it has a remarkable clarity and contrast, coupled with a full brightness up to 3500 LED lumens, and it supports full HD resolution. You can also fine-tune the calibration by using this focus and the keystone. You have a clean and simple interface that allows you to project all the content you want, videos, pictures, and of course music. You can project files from a USB stick right here or a micro SD card, or display it from the computer via HDMI, and it works with gaming console actually. You can also connect any smart boxes or dongles like Apple TV, Fire TV or Android TV boxes. The Philips Neopix Prime is able to mirror any Android, iOS, Windows or Mac OS device wirelessly. All your smartphones or laptops content can now be thrown on a huge 120 inches picture in a dark environment. But I am not done. The Neopix Prime has an internal stereo speaker that gives you a perfect sound for home entertainment. But if you want a bigger and more powerful sound, well, it's compatible with your own external Bluetooth speakers. You've seen it, guys. The Prime got everything you need for a really affordable price. The image quality, the size of it, its extensive connectivity, and I mean, this is so easy and simple to use, right? You love to get your hands on it.